In this video, we are going to see how to make the forms in Microsoft 365. Let's say you have the Windows system and you have the account in the office.com or Office 365 in Microsoft. Then you will be having 5 GB of data that you can use it for free. However, you will have a lot of options or a lot of online applications that you can use, such as like a Word document, Excel document, PowerPoint, and so on. So now we are going to see one more application which is called Microsoft Forms. By using the forms, you can dynamically create the different forms to be shared with the team members, or you can create the quiz programs to be shared with the team members. Let's see how to create the basic form or quiz form. In the search bar after you log into the office.com, look for forms. Click that first one, and there will be two options here. One is the form, another one is the quiz. Both look similar, however the form gets the information from the user and it's only for information purpose or data collection purpose, whereas the quiz will be for testing the knowledge of the audiences, such as like making the different quiz program on the different technology stacks or let's say different domain stacks. We will be creating the quiz program. Obviously in the quiz the points will be given and you need to provide the correct answer as well. Sometimes the forms can be shared. You are starting one new event or you want to get the interest of a different topic of the different forum of people, then you will be sharing the form and you will be giving the different forms of input that they will provide their thought process. Now let's create our first form or quiz. Let's create the quiz first then, and here you can see it is generating the new form. Obviously you will be having the different themes here. Let's take some different forms. Yes, and here you will be giving the title of the quiz. Let's something dark. Sample quiz, and you can give some description and some logos also. Add. Here you will have the different options. Make that question as a multiple choice question or the text question or the rating or some date. Even you can have the ranking or let's say some net promoter score and so on, but let's go with a simple one, choice. Let's say some sample question. Will you subscribe this channel? And when you type some let's say yes or no type of questions, it will give the all the answers here. You can directly add or you can add some more option by typing also, and you can delete at any time, and you can give the points. For example, if you are giving all the questions 1 points, it will be the equally distributed, whereas if you feel like some questions will be having more points when compared to others, then you will be giving the points more than others. And if it is something like a multiple answers, you can enable here, and if you make it this question as a mandatory, then you can make it as a required. Now if you want to copy the same thing, you can copy here, it will repeat the same, and you can change some questions here, and you can change by clicking on the up arrow, it will change the order also. Now this looks fine. Now it will be having 2 points because we copy pasted the single point question 2 times, and you can add again one more time the ratings. For example, let's say your rating on this video, and here you can give points because it does not have any things, but again you can change the levels also. If you want 10 out of something, generally we will give 5 out of that rating, so we will be giving the same 5 here. And symbols also you can change it, for example smiley face, or you can change it to the light bulb, so whatever you want. So generally we will be using the star rating, so we will be giving the same. Then after, again you can change the theme by clicking on the theme button, and you can see more here. Let's see, let's take this one. Okay, fine. Now if you want to preview before sharing with others, click on the preview, and here you can see the sample. Then in mobile how it looks like, you can just click on the mobile and see how it looks like. Once you are comfortable or once you are convinced with this look and feel and the question and answers, then one more thing you need to do is like you need to mention the correct answers, because when people answer this quiz program, they need to know the score of that, or even you also need to know the score of that, who has given the correct responses and so on, and what time. So for that we will be giving just select the correct answers and making others automatically as a wrong. This question does not have any correct answer, so it's a rating actually. You can use it for your performance, or let's say your score, or let's say your quality of the content, and so on. After that you can click on the collect responses. Here you can get the URL and share with the different people. Even you can make the shorten the URL and copy it. Here you can use the QR code or the, so let's say, the normal embedded link or Facebook or Twitter. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. Even you can make the sample quiz as a QR code also. You can download and share it with so many people. As soon as they respond to that, what happens is, like, you can see the responses here. How many people responses, what is the average score, and their answers. For example, let's go into the collect responses. I'm copying this. Let's say I am sharing with some people. They are opening that URL. And even you can use the Outlook also. You can share the link through the Outlook also. Let's close this. And this is about the sample quiz. And let's say I am making yes, yes, submit. And as a end user, you can see the results here itself. Okay, why? Because I think will be reviewed. I am not sure why, because I think I have not given the correct answers, might be. Yes, I have not given the correct answer, so that's the reason. And rating also given here, so that as an end user you can see all the peoples here, and the same time you can open in the excels. If you have multiple people has responded, then you can get that the results as a excel, so you can get it as a result form in the excel also. Now let's go to the forms again. Now this time we will create the normal form itself. Now our intention is not to test them or not to make any quiz program. We are just getting the data from them. Let's see, feedback form. Click new, choice, or let's say rather than making choice, we will just delete this. Now you want to get some data, right? Make it as a text. What is your suggestion? Okay, and add one more thing. When will be the best time to have a meeting? And that's all. And again we will same kind of thing, themes we will add it. The same kind of collect responses, copy that URL, share with the different people. Even you can collect with the embedded code or QR code or Facebook, wherever you want to share, in which format you can share it in the same way. And you can see add more animation or whiteboard animation. And meeting, let's see, let's have it on 1st Jan. Submit. So the response has been submitted. Now let's go to the forms again. Close this. Responses, here you can see the responses, view results. So here you can see the suggestion and the date which we want to have the meeting. So like this, if you have multiple people, there will be the arrow marks. You can just navigate to the different users and the responses, and you can print it also. In case of forms, there is some option where you can use the Excel upload also, but however here you could not see, but generally you can use the Excel also or Word document also to upload the different kinds of quiz questions. Probably that will be in the advanced version. So if you go to the premium version, you will be having the option to upload the Word document. It should be in some specific format like a question, and options will be A, B, C and so on. So automatically it converts that Word document into the quiz form. So this is all about the quiz, and this quiz and forms can be used to make a interactive sessions or making interactive quiz programs among the team and the friends as well. So this is all about this video. So thanks for watching and have a great day.